first interview in JBR, and there's a company called, I forget, they have only the Russian and the European people. So I go for interview, so they told me, listen, we are all European and we are Russian people, so we're looking for a Pakistani man. And okay, first day I go here and then for the interview. Okay. That's, there's one guy. So yeah, I can join also. I cannot speak English properly, by the way. And once I start work and with the 7 days, I leave the job. And they're asking, why you leave the job? Listen, you all guys speak English, I cannot speak English. That's the reason I cannot work anymore. No, it's fine, we can train you, we can do it. No, because you all speak English. How I can speak English? I cannot speak English. And I left job after 1 week. And that is the top area in that time, JBR. Even the railing is there. So this is my history once I start in real estate. Because of the English, I leave the company. So everyone has same thing. This is not the new what we are doing. But the good thing, you are sitting in the company, there's English and Urdu mixer.
Yes.
So it's fine, finishing.